Hello learners. In this session, we are going to learn about output devices. So, let's start. Monitor. Monitor is an output device that resembles the television screen and uses a cathode ray tube to display information. The monitor is associated with a keyboard for manual input of characters and displays the information as it is keyed in. It also displays the program or application output. Like the television, monitors are also available in different sizes. Now, let's head towards types of monitor. There are three types of monitors. CRT monitor, which are bulky in size and their screen also flicker many times. Then LCD monitors, which are slim in size, sharp image and use fluorescent technology. The latest technology is of LED monitors. They are very slim in size and are very energy efficient. Study about liquid crystal display or LCD. Liquid crystal display or LCD was introduced in the 1970s and is now applied to display terminals also. Its advantages like low energy consumption, smaller and lighter have paved its way for uses in portable computers or even in laptops. Printer. Printer is an external hardware device responsible for taking computer data and generating a hard copy of that data. Printers are one of the most used peripherals on computers and are commonly used to print text, images, and photos. Now let's see some types of printer. Printer can be categorized into impact printer and non-impact printer. Now let's briefly study about impact printer. Impact printer strikes paper and ribbon together to form a character like a typewriter. The advantages of impact printer are that it is less expensive, it can make multiple copies with multi-part paper. The disadvantages are that it is noisy, it prints the print quality is lower in some types, and it has poor graphics or none at all. The speed of impact printer is also very slow. Now let's study some types of impact printer. The first is daisy wheel printer. It is like a ball head typewriter. This type of printer has a plastic or metal wheel on which the shape of each character stands out in relief. A hammer presses the wheel against a ribbon, which in turn make an ink stain in the shape of the character on the paper. The daisy wheel printers produce letter quality print but cannot print graphics. The next type is dot matrix. Dot matrix impact printers create characters by striking pins against an ink ribbon. Each pin makes a dot and combination of dots form characters and